Hey guys, so today we are going to do a cool purple makeup tutorial. I don't know what it is, but the makeup brands almost never release cool toned purple products. I think it's because the majority of the world is warm toned, so if you own a business, you're going to cater to the majority rules. So if you are looking for cool tone purple makeup, it is not easy, but I have some products that I'm going to use today to do that with you. Now, before we begin the tutorial, I just wanted to point out for those of you that enjoy looking at my background, I bought my first Monster High doll yesterday, and I'm going to insert a clip right now so you can see it even better. Okay, so that was Spectra Vondergeist. I have wanted a Monster High doll for a long time now, but I could never decide which one to get. And yesterday on TikTok, somebody said I reminded them of Frankie from Monster High. And I was actually going to go to the store and buy Frankie as my first doll. But then I got there and I started looking at all of them and I was like, ooh, I think I really like this one better. So I decided to go with Spectra. But anyways, for those of you that are into dolls, that's what I got. So instead of taking her out of the box and unboxing her, I decided to leave her in the box. And I may change my mind at some point, but for now, I'm going to let her just chill in the box back there. All right, so let's get started. So far, I always apply a few products first because otherwise there's no way I can get this video down to 10 minutes so that I can put it on YouTube and TikTok. So I hydrated my lips with Summer Friday's Lip Butter Balm in Pink Sugar. That's my lip hydration product today. And then I used Hard Candy Girl Scouts Milk and Cookies Primer from the new limited edition collection that's at Walmart. My corrector is the NYX Pro Fix Stick corrector in pink. Then I used e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in fair beige. Then I used the new Maybelline Lumi Matte Foundation in shade 115. Then I used e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Beauty Wand in fair/light. All right, so let's get started on the eyes then. You know what? It always looks funny to me when somebody's brows aren't done. So let me go do my brows with my NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint pen and come back. Okay, now since I'm doing things out of order here, let's do the lips next. So I do not have a cool toned purple lipstick, so I'm going to do cool toned pink instead just to try to stay with the whole cool toned theme. So I have this Beauty Intuition lipstick from Dollar Tree in Rosy Pink, and this is super cool tone. And I'm not wild about the formula, but the color is exactly what I'm looking for. So let's use this. So nice and cool toned. And for a liner, usually I would do liner first, but sometimes depending on the formula of the lipstick, I actually like to do it after. And the liner that I'm going to use, I thought it had been discontinued, but I just saw it yesterday at Walmart. It's the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in Palest Pink. This is a very cool toned pink lip liner. So let's do a little bit of that. It's always nice to have a little bit of definition. When I saw Maybelline come out with their new lip liners, I immediately bought a backup of this. This is my backup because that color is almost impossible to find. All right, so all we have left to do is the eyes. So cool toned purple eyeshadow base. Of course, I'm going with the Hard Candy Moods Liquid Shadow in Vibe. Now, this is very, very bright, so and pigmented, so we're only going to use a tiny little bit and blend it out. Okay, so you know what is cool about this? You can even lay this down and it's not going to start coming out of the container. I mean, lay it down while it's open. Okay, so I'm going to go dot, dot, dot right across my lid and blend this out with my finger. And the reason why I'm starting on the lash line is because sometimes when you do these colored bases, there is a tendency to end up with not enough product on the lash line, and then it looks funny. You get like a white stripe, well, if you have fair skin. So start with the lash line, and that way you won't have your natural skin color peeking through. So see, I blended that out. We're going to put just a little bit right there in the center where it looks quite a bit thinner. And just blending with my finger. Your best tools are right there attached to your body. Brushes and tools are nice, but okay, I'm going in the outer corner now. Brushes and tools are nice, but we have the perfect tools built right in. And they're a lot easier to clean too. All right, I'm working that into the outer corner and going up a little bit. But before we do, I'm going to take this Hard Candy eyeliner in Twisted Grape, and we're going to run that on the bottom lash line. So I'm not going on the waterline. I'm going like right in between the lashes. Okay, now I just bought this yesterday. I think I had this a long time ago, but it's been a while. This is the Hard Candy Moods Punk eyeshadow palette, and this is most definitely cool tone purple. So a whole palette full of cool toned shades. Wow, that is almost impossible to find. All right, so of course I'm going to use that beautiful sparkly one, and I'm just going to use my finger. So that's what it looks like swatched, and we're going to dab that right on top of the base that I just did. Now, all the Hard Candy Moods powder eyeshadow palettes do not coordinate with every single color of the liquid shadow. I wish they had designed it that way. That would have been so awesome. But yeah, some of them coordinate well, but others don't have a match for the liquid. But yeah, that would have been spectacular. So if I want to use some of the other liquid shadows, I have to actually pull in a shadow from another brand. Okay, so I did the other eye, then I curled my lashes, and then I applied the new CoverGirl Lashblast Supercloud mascara. And I really like this. So that is my cool toned purple makeup tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.